Hey everyone, we're looking at another Kizer's awesome blade. This model is Laconico Intrepid Flipper. Let's check it out. So this is the box of it. It comes with a cleaning cloth, like their other blades too. So it's very useful and handy. Okay, take the knife, put everything aside. So this is the blade. Let's look at closely. It's a heavy one, but it's a good flipper, as you can see here. It uses this Bowie type blade. It fits hands very well. Okay, let's look closer and have some spec about this one. So the blade length of this blade is 3.625 inch, and it uses a VG10 stainless steel. The overall weight is 5.19 ounce or 0.32 pounds. It uses G10 as the handle material. As you can see, is army green. The overall length of this blade is 8.27 inch. Okay, so let's look closer on the blade itself. Here it says Kizer, then you can see VG10, that's the steel. Intrepid is the model. Okay, so that's the VG10 handle material. Here's one thing I wasn't too sure about it, because when I look at the YouTube video, they say the insert is matching the handle material's color, but what I got is actually the black color. Maybe they changed it. Not too sure, but the black one doesn't look that bad either, so I'm okay with it. But I probably prefer the green one, which matches this color. Army green. It's the best color ever. It's very grippy. And this metal sticking out can work as a guard. So that's the flipper. Let's see it in action several times. Very easy, smoothly. Either way, it holds very nicely in hand. VG10 steel. The price for this knife is about $80 to $90. It's not the cheap one, but for the blade steel, this is still a good deal, a steal, like most people were saying. And here is designer's name. Oh, yeah, so you can see that clearly. So this is a design knife. It's production type, but still very good design. It's like small Bowie knife in the pocket. It just looks so nice with this one. It's not quite thick, but it's a pocket knife. It uses a hollow grind, so it's good for cutting. Okay, that's the look of this knife. So thanks for watching. I'll have the item linked below. This is a great knife to have, in my opinion. Thank you.